going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a custom headlight install on the Mustang. So I've decided to trash the stock headlight housing because, well, it definitely looks dumb without a fender. And I just wanted it to look kind of different from a normal Mustang. So what I got were these are Hella 500 lights. So I'm planning to use actually two on both sides, something like this. So what I think I'm gonna do is just do a flat plate mounted under this. I guess this is the radiator support bar. I'm thinking this is about where I want them to sit, something like that. I actually like the offset, and that's what I was going for anyway. Have the inner ones kind of more forward than the outers. I realized I also want a place to mount a turn signal, because if you don't run a front bumper, there's really nowhere to mount a turn signal. So for my outer mount, for my headlight, I'm going to incorporate a turn signal mount. So I have these small little, there's like 4 LEDs in this amber light to use for the turn signal. So for my outer mount, I'm going to do a design like this. Basically, this will attach to the car, that will attach to the headlight, and then off this edge here, I'm going to weld a tab, and then that's a hole to mount the turn signal. Got all my pieces cut out here. So I decided to go with 2 turn signals on each side. So this is for those circular LEDs, just to make sure I have enough brightness for my turn signals. So now the last thing I need to do for these is weld these up at a 90 like this. So this will be the right side and this is the left side. Got everything welded up now, so I did just like a little bead in the middle on the back side, and then I just did a complete bead on the top here. So now everything's ready to go. So to review, these are for the outer lights and the turn signals. So this is where it attaches to the car. This is for the outer light. These are for the turn signals. And then these are the brackets that are just for the inner lights. So this is just attachment to the car and then attachment to the light. And then everything is a mirror image on the right side. So what I'm gonna do is wire the outer lights to my low beam, so they'll go on when I turn my headlights on. The inner lights will be to my fog light wiring. So this car came with fog lights, I never had them, but the wiring was there. So when I turn my fog lights on, the inners will come on, and then here's the turn signal wiring for the LEDs. I got everything bolted up now, so here's the final look. I actually really like it. I created a quick Photoshop of this look, and this is pretty accurate to what I created. So the turn signals are meant to be kind of, you don't see them unless they're on, and if you can see, they're right there. So they're very close to the hood, so I'm gonna see how it goes, but I could bend that bracket down a bit just to get a little bit more visual on the turn signals. But yeah, overall, very pleased with the look. I'm anxious to get it out at night and see how they perform.